Hey guys, I'm showing you this voice remote that is suitable for a replacement for a TV compatible with a Google Chromecast 4K Snow with a different models. So let's open this box and see. So the benefit of this is like if you have a second voice control to control your Google Chromecast, and also to work, or if you replace, or you lost your first voice control, then you can use this remote. So this requires two batteries. So let me just put in the two batteries and we can just start and see the things. So the first impression is, of course, is a small factor remote with all the buttons, and then just put in the battery. It started up. As you can see it here, the light is on. And then you have to just pair this with your Chromecast. And the pairing is that you have to press the button on your Chromecast, and then press the home button here to get it done. So the manual describes the process, where you have this select button in the between, the back button, the assistant or the volume button, with the home, app button, power button, and other things. So with the Chromecast, you can see like the pressing the button, and when the reset button is on, you can just start the process to pair in. So once this is pair in, you can use it as a voice control, and then this I'll just use it directly as a voice command to the Chromecast.